Hi everyone, I'm Jim with Anaheim Park Tours, and in today's video is my overnight experience at the Sheraton Park at the Anaheim Convention Center. The Sheraton Park is located at 1855 South Harbor Boulevard in Anaheim. When I stayed at the Sheraton Park, parking was $25 a day for self-parking and $30 a day for valet. Pets are welcome at the Sheraton Park for a $100 non-refundable fee, and those rooms are located only on the ground floor. I'll leave a link in the description below for all the accessibility features at the Sheraton Park. Our overnight experiences mirror the TripAdvisor categories, and there are 4 different categories. And the first one is staff and service. When I was dropped off at the Sheraton Park by my Uber, I was initially greeted at the front desk by super friendly staff. I had great conversations with them, and we were talking about music, clothing, and a lot of other different things. Just really hit it off with them. And I also had interactions at the bar. I went ahead and ordered a dinner because I was waiting to meet some friends down the road, and there was one person manning the bar. This person was also waiting on all the tables. Super friendly, very attentive. And then when I would exit my room and if I saw some of the housekeepers, I was always told good morning or hello. Just a great experience overall with staff and service. The next category is property conditions, and first off, this hotel was constructed in 1972. So from the outside, it looks a little bit older, and don't let that fool you because the grounds themselves are beautiful. They're very tropical-like. The pool is just a secluded oasis. Most pools seem like they have tons of activity, water slides, and everything like that, and this just looked like a relaxing pool. Why I didn't spend any time there? The pool itself is an area I would love to hang out with on an off day or a rest day. It just looked very relaxing. The room itself has been freshly remodeled. That remodel was completed in October of 2022. The rooms are on the smaller side, but 4 adults can fit in there. There just isn't a ton of space for all that luggage, so you would have to take advantage of some of the drawers that I featured in our room tour. Just be aware that there is a charge for a 4th person staying in the room. The room had tons of different features. There were USB chargers on both sides of both beds, which is even lacking in some of the newest remodels in the area. And we thought that was just such a nice touch. There's nothing like being that person stuck on the other side of the bed and not having your phone or your alarm nearby. I really enjoyed that adjustable table in the room. It was just a nice touch to be able to either sit or stand. It had lots of different charging options within the table itself. The room had a balcony. The 2 of us really love balconies. We love having our breakfast out there in the morning or having a late night cocktail outside. It's just nice to wind your day down and enjoy some of that nice Southern California weather. Now onto the bathroom. I felt like the shower was a decent size. It was clean. The water pressure was decent, but take in mind that the hotels in the area are required to have water saving devices because of the severe drought California has been in. Give them a little bit of a break on water pressure. Now the sink, I felt like the sink was a little small. That was enough for just me, but I felt like if there was 2 or 3 people in there, there's just not a lot of space to have all your things out. So you'd have to probably pack your stuff up and store them underneath or in the shelf where the towels are. Overall though, the bathroom was nice and it was spotless. The next category is room comfort and noise. And if you have seen some of our videos, you know that you can get a lot of car noise coming in from harbor. And I was initially concerned about this. When I got up into the room, I heard none of that noise. The hallways themselves were very quiet. I have friends that stay at this hotel quite a bit, and they always tell me that this is one of their favorite hotels because it is so quiet. I felt as though the beds were very comfortable and I enjoyed the pillows there. Beds are very personal and we all have different opinions on what's comfortable. I sleep on a Tempur-Pedic at home, and I felt like this bed at the Sheraton Park was a good mix of that Tempur-Pedic and a little bit of firmness. I had a great night's sleep there. I was very happy with the pillows. The next category are the amenities, and there is a Starbucks on site, but that's not a corporate-owned Starbucks, but they make most, if not all, the drinks. They also serve breakfast sandwiches, and there's an attached convenience store. So if you're looking for some Disneyland souvenirs or other odds and ends, you can go shopping there. There is a restaurant that's called Savor, and they specialize in pizza and wine. I did not go there. There is a pool bar. There is a bar in the lobby, which also serves food and cocktails. Morton's Steakhouse is on site. There is a pool and a hot tub, laundry service, a fitness center, For an additional charge, there is club level access, and in the past, I've been up there and they would serve beer, wine, and snacks. This particular stay, I did not pay for that. If you are looking to book club level access, I'd call the Sheraton directly to see what exactly they are now offering. Who would want to stay at this hotel? Now, I think this is a great option for people who want to stay in a bit of a nicer hotel at a lower price point. This hotel is a bit of a ways from Disneyland, but you can easily walk over to the Toy Story lot. It's about a 6 to 7 minute walk there, and you can take Disneyland's Toy Story shuttle directly to Disneyland, and that is free, or you can walk. I did both. Both are very easy to do. The room itself is very comfortable and quiet. I think this is a great option if you're 2 people or even 4. Just take in mind there is a 4th person fee. If you did miss my room tour at the Sheraton Park, go ahead and click the link here. Thank you so much for watching.